Some of you are really abusing AI. Just because you hear that AI is here to stay and AI is actually going to take some jobs, that does not mean that we have to give all our jobs to AI. Now, specifically, I'm talking about graphic designers and flyers. What's the meaning of all these type of flyers? Like this, and this. Like, you don't even need a prophet to tell you that these flyers were actually created by AI and ChatGPT to be specific. Like, we can still do better. You don't need to become a graphic designer. You don't need to become a badass designer for you to be able to use AI the right way. Stop the habit of going to AI and tell it, hey, I need a flyer for my birthday. It's going to give you a generic texture-based designs that looks like design that was done in the early 80s. Like, how can you boast of this type of design? And the worst part, people use this type of designs for their business advert, product advert, and even post it on Facebook and Instagram. Like, what do you want people to say about your brand? This is what you need to do. If you are too lazy to actually design, too broke to pay a designer, and too tired to actually brainstorm on what you need to do, now go to Pinterest so you will be able to look at a sample of the type of design you want to recreate. Visit Pinterest, go to www.pinterest.com, and here now you see the search bar there. Search for the type of design you want to create. Is it a birthday flyer, a product advert flyer, burial flyer, whatever it is, type it there, and boom, you see many samples. Now this is the next step of what you need to do. Now you've seen assorted flyers relating to what you searched. Go to Gemini and then put that flyer you actually downloaded. Here now, this is where the creativity starts. Now you are trying to recreate this type of flyer because, like I said, if you tell AI to create a flyer for you, it's going to give you something so generic. What you need to do now is, now you have an inspiration of what you want to design to be like. Now is to change information. Now look at here now, maybe this place is telling you, look at the right up here, you want to change it. Look at the pictures here, you want to change it. So you can tell it that, look at this particular picture now, replace happy birthday Emeka with happy birthday Chinaza. Now you can now go ahead and tell it that, look at this particular picture here, upload the picture that you want to be on the flyer and say, replace the existing picture on this flyer with this one I just uploaded. Now after doing that again, you can now keep changing your prompt. You can start with the session of the date. Now you can tell it, replace the date written here with 30th January 2026. But here I tell you that, replace the name written here with this, replace the picture here with this, and gradually your prompts keep enhancing. And by the time you are done, you have gotten the exact replica of the first flyer you created, but then with your own unique information. And now this is how you have created a nice standard flyer without actually stressing yourself, without telling AI to give you a generic flyer. You had a sample, you had a reference, and you got all your information with the same clean design. And this is how you can actually use that flyer for your advert, posting, to make money, and the rest. Stop using the AI generic design because it says nothing good about your brand, other than bringing down your status and make your brand look like you cannot afford to pay a graphic designer money.